Exercise 3.2. First question. Check divisibility of given numbers by 2, 4, 8, 5 and 10. Put a tick for divisible and wrong for not divisible. The first number is 128. Check the last digit for 2. It is even, so it is divisible by 2. For 4, check last 2 digits, that is 28. 28 is 7 times, so it is divisible by 4. 8 tables, check divisible by 8, so check last 3 digits. 128, it is divisible by 16 times in 8 tables. Here 5 tables, the rule is ends with 5 or 0. Here ends with 8, so it is not divisible by 5. 10, divisible by 10 is, the rule is ends with 0. Here ends with 8, so it is not divisible by 10. The second question. 572. Check divisible by 2. The last digit, it is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Next, divisible by 4. Last 2 digits, check last 2 digits. 72. 72 is divisible by 4 in 18 times, so it is divisible by 4. 8. Check 572. 3 digits, overall 3 digits, it is not divisible. Next, divisible by 5. Check the last digit, it is an even number, so it is not divisible by 5. 10, it is also an even number, the last digit is even number, it is not divisible by 10. Third question. 990. 990, indivisible by 2, the rule is once ends with 0 or even number, so it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 4, the rule is ends with 2 zeros. Here only 1 0, so it is not divisible by 4. 8, 3 zeros. Here only 1 0, so it is not divisible by 8. Next 5, it is divisible. 10, it is also divisible. This number is divisible by 10. Next, 1586. 1586, the last digit, divisible by 2. The last digit is even, so it is divisible by 2. The next one, divisible by 4. Check last 2 digit. 86. 86 is not divisible by 4, so this total value is not divisible by 4. The next one is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8, check last 3 digit. 586. 586 is not divisible by 8, so the total number is not divisible by 8. 5, divisible 5, the rule is ends with 5 or 0. Here the number is ends with 6, that is the even number, so it is not divisible by 5. 10, divisible by 10, the rule is ends with 0. Here the value is ends with 6, so it is not divisible by 10. The next question. 6225. Here first check divisible by 2. The last digit is 5. It is not an even number, it is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Divisible by 4. Check last 2 digits. This is 25. 25 is not divisible by 4. In 8 tables, check last 3 digit is divisible by 8. 225. 225 is not divisible by 8. 5, divisible by 5. 625 ends with 5. The value ends with 5, so it is divisible by 5. 10, it is not divisible by 10 because the value ends with 5. Next, sixth one. 66,660. Divisible by 2. Divisible by 2, the rule is the value ends with 0 or even number. Here the value is ends with 0, so it is divisible. The next one. 4. Here it is ends with 0, but the rule is ends with 2 zeros. So you can check the 60 last 2 digit values. 60 is divisible by 4, so it is divisible by 4. Next, divisible by 8. Check last 3 digits whether it is divisible by 8 or not. 660 is not divisible by 8, so the whole number is not divisible by 8. Divisible by 5. The rule is ends with 5 or 0. Here the value is ends with 0, so it is divisible. Divisible by 10. The rule is ends with 0. The value ends with 0. Here the value is ends with 0, so it is divisible. The next 7th question, 54,795. Check divisible by 2. Here the last digit is 5, so it is not divisible. 4, last 2 digits 95. 95 is not divisible by 4. In 8, divisible by 8. Check last 3 digits. 795 is divisible by 8. No, it is not divisible. 5. The rule is ends with number. The number ends with 5. It is divisible by 5. 10. It is not divisible. 8th question. 7,26,352. Divisible by 2. Yeah, it is divisible by 2 because the value ends with even number, so it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 4. Check last 2 numbers. 52. 52 is divisible by 4, so it is divisible. The whole value is divisible by 4. The next one is 8. Check last 3 values. It is divisible or not. It is divisible, so divisible by 8. The whole value is divisible by 8. Next one, 5. Divisible by 5. The rule is ends with 5 or 0. Here the value ends with 2, so it is not divisible by 5 and 10. The next question, 6,39,210. Divisible by 2. The rule is ends with 0 or even number. Here the value is ends with 0, so it is divisible. Next, divisible by 2. Check last 2 digits. 10. 10 is not divisible by 4. Next, 8. 8. Check last 3 digits. 210. 210 is not divisible by 8. Next, 5. In 5 tables ends with 0 or 5. Here the value ends with 0, so it is divisible. 10 also divisible. The 10th question, 2,97,144. Divisible by 2. Yeah. Check last digit. Last digit is even, so it is divisible. Next, divisible by 4. Check last 2 digits. 44. It is also divisible by 4. 8. 144. 144 is divisible by 8, so it is divisible. This number is divisible. Next, 5. No, not divisible, and 10 is also not divisible. Question number, homework sums, question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the homework sums.